me Charice. Do you see my channel? For your clip that thing, okay? You always have to clip it. I want something. But we're gonna go around and then my dad's gonna make it faster. Let's see, my car is fast. First I'm gonna do like and then my dad's gonna make it fast and then it's gonna like that. Okay, to see. I guess it's. You guys want to go to the road or not? Daddy, do you want to go to the road? This one? This one or this one? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! My daddy's gonna change it faster. Let's see. Bye. Hi guys, it's me Charice. Today my daddy put it fast. We're back. An accident say that, but we're back. So you see the other one we went to run, but that was low fast. But today my daddy got the fire came out, guys. I can't believe it. The fire came out. So I hope something don't get wrong. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. I'm scared. But I hope I don't. This side? Well. I need to back up. Whoa. Whoa. It's really fast. Go, Colleen! I'm gonna put Kelly, but Kelly's in the room. That's it, guys. My sister's gonna come, but we're not gonna do another video. Bye! But don't forget to subscribe my channel. Get me. I forgot what it calls. I never do a video, but I forgot. So I'm gonna bring my sister, but we're not gonna do any video. Don't forget to not watch Kelly do something like this. This is terrible. Like literally, my daddy like do something like strange. She just touch it. And then poosh, a fire came out and then it went off. Kelly will be scared. Like literally, she will be scared. Bye.